All right, where am I? How come I'm not on there?
Got it. I see you.
Oh, there I am. Okay, we're recording.
Okay.
So, let's see
It's
here. Open your kit. Okay,
how do I see? It's all about me, you know.
so we are doing our DNA kits that were sent to us from the genetic detectives, and we're doing this to show folks that we're participating in this too because we're 60 Scoop survivors, and
Mhm.
we want to find out if we have family members out there that are looking for us, or
Yep.
I want to be found anyways. If I have cousins, things like that. I met most of my family, but I'm
I've met
pretty
most of
sure.
my family
Yeah. So,
on my matriarch side.
oh, by the way, my name's Colleen Cardinal,
Oh, mine's Elaine Kicknosway.
and we're the co-founders.
McDermott.
McDermott. All right, so we're opening our kits. This is my kit. It got sent to me from. Oh, wow, look at this.
Yeah.
Ancestry.DNA.
DNA.
DNA.
Hey.
So we got these like almost 3 months ago, and
Yeah.
they've been sitting on my shelf waiting for us to do this, to find some time to do this together. Like Elaine and I actually live literally probably 8 minutes away from each other, and we don't even have time to meet to go for coffee. That's how busy we are. Anyways,
Okay.
I'm opening the kit, and I'm
it's a-
sharing my screen, and it
Yeah.
tells you you can get to this screen through our webpage as well. So if you go to 60scoopnetwork.org, DNA Genetic Detectives, it's on here. You scroll down, it just talks a little bit about the process, and you click this link here, and it brings you to the genetic detective page. And this is how you get what happens when you get your kit. So we're gonna walk you through the process, and we're gonna actually spit in these tubes.
Where's the tube?
Oh, wow. So this is what it looks like inside.
I got the tube.
Okay. All right, and inside there's I don't know, I have to kind of like, oh wow, that's not a good symbol.
I know, right?
Real deadly. I was like, oh my god, what is that? So let's try and figure out. I feel like I'm doing like a COVID test or something, you know? Gotta
Ew.
spit in a tube and do all these. Okay, so it says, do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva. And then in your box, you're gonna find these things here, these little kits here. And inside of it is there's a cap and
Yeah.
a solution
Yeah.
and a funnel, fill line. So look at, and it also comes with a prepaid postage package to send your kit back to them.
Okay.
But before you do that, you gotta activate it. So in your kit, there's an activation code, and you'll find that
On your paper.
on your paper.
On the inside paper, it gives you the code.
Yep. So right here is my activation code.
Yeah, that's for you.
Yep. So when you're done putting your spit in the thing and following all the directions, then you have your kit ready to go. You activate it through the website that we'll show you after, and you activate it using your code. You fill in all your information about yourself. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm kind of excited. I've done this once before, but for something else. I did this for, I don't know what these are. Danger strips. There's big danger signs on them. I think maybe that's something we have to spit in. Let me check out here.
Okay, I think I've done it to the lid. Ugh.
Oh, you were supposed to do it on camera.
Well, I am on camera, aren't I?
Says fill the tube with saliva to the black wavy line.
Yeah, I did.
Fill the tube until your saliva, not including bubbles, is just above the wavy line.
All right.
That's less than a quarter of a teaspoon. Ew.
You see me?
I could see you.
How come I can't see me?
I don't know.
Good.
Look at the thing, press it like where your video is and pull it down. Or press one of those little, the little squares.
Not going to worry about it.
Okay, I can see you. You're being recorded. And then, so I'm going to do it now.
No bubbles.
Tighten to release the stabilizer. This is mail your sample. Oh, okay. Okay. So I feel like you've done this before. You're just zooming through it. And I'm looking at, I don't want to mess it up.
I just like read everything so quickly.
Place the tube in the collection bag. And then
replace the funnel with the cap. So this is the cap.
Let me see.
The cap with the blue thing.
Just show me.
You see it?
No. Oh, no, I can't see because your background hides everything.
My background?
Yeah, you have like trees in the background.
Okay, so I need to look at me.
Put it right in front of your face. Yeah, there you
got...
go. If you put it right in front of your face, then we can see it. All right, so I'm gonna open my kit. Elaine's kind of flied through hers, so I'm gonna open my kit and try and figure this out because easiest thing to do here. We're hoping it's not going to be difficult for you when you guys do it. And the whole point of this is to help 60 scoop survivors and their families find each other. Did
I do it? Did I do it right?
Let me see.
Can you see me?
I can see you, but I can't see anything you're doing. You got to put your thing right in front of the camera.
Where's the camera?
Like it should be right in front of you.
You see it?
You have to hold it right in front of your face, like this, so we can see it. There you go. Oh, yum. Yummy, yummy.
Okay, so I take the lid off.
Mm-hmm.
And then I go like this. Carefully.
More to the in front of your face. There you go.
Is the background thing off?
Yep.
Okay. There, I did it. I'm brilliant.
Yay.
And then I put this in it. Put this in it.
You have to put it in there? Okay. Tighten to release.
Place the tube in the collection bag.
What tube? What's the strips for?
I don't know. Seal the bag. What are the strips for?
I don't know.
Anyway, maybe in case they fall apart. I sealed my bag.
Okay.
And then I did this.
Collection bag.
Put it inside.
Yeah.
And then we mail out tomorrow.
Okay, now I still gotta do mine. So I got to spit in here, which is gonna be kind of nasty. I'm glad that you didn't show that part, because. So I just spit in here. I just spit in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. To the line. No bubbles. I take this. Boom.
How did you make so much spit?
I'm very frothy.
You're very frothy. Did you rub your cheeks first?
Yeah. Well, kind of.
It's saying,
okay, I'm back.
It says, don't need to gently rub your cheeks from the outside, pressing them against your teeth and gums before spit. What is that? To loosen all the spit up or something?
To make you frothy.
This might take a while. How come I can't get any spit out of my mouth?
Just think, frothy thoughts.
Oh, think of like ice cream.
Yeah, or lemon.
Chocolate.
Think of lemon.
Chocolate. I got no
Chocolate.
spit. I got no spit coming out, man. I had no
No
spit.
stamp required. Wow.
Hmm.
And this was going to Ireland,
No way.
by the way. Yeah.
No way. It's going to Ireland.
Response page. It's going to Ireland in the DNA. They're going to take us to the over there. We're going overseas.
It says human specimen.
Yep. Yeah, right. Human specimen. All right. And then you go into activate to begin your story. So you send that off.
Mhm.
You use your unique activation code because it's the same on the tube. You do the spit, you activate your kit online first.
Mhm.
So I'll do that after we're done here.
Yep.
And
And
then
so
we'll send it over.
if you could see this, can you see it? Can you see
Yeah,
the
I,
Okay, so let's go through this while I'm getting my
get
spit in,
frothy.
getting
Yeah.
frothy, yes. So on the site, it shows you how to apply for a sponsor or a subsidized DNA kit. So you would click that, or you can help out 60 Scoop survivors by donating some money to help pay for the kits because they're not free. They're free for survivors, but they're not free to purchase. And they cost about, how much did she say they cost? $90 or something, or $120.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm. So largely, like, if people want to do this, they either have to pay for it or get a subsidized kit. So we could use your help in sponsoring somebody to get a kit. Now ours were free. They had a few extra ones, but in order to help survivors, they need to get some more kits. So take an end. So right now we're doing the DNA test, and then we activate it once we fill up our spit tube and put it in the package. We have to activate a code on the website, and that links your DNA to this special code. So any hits that come across, like say they find family members wherever, they can track you through that. And they don't just use one site; they use like I think 10 DNA
Yeah.
registries that they have. It takes a while, it takes a couple months for the DNA to come back, but that's okay. I'm not going anywhere. Um,
That's right.
and if you don't really know how to do the DNA test, there's a video to help you. Um, and of course, step-by-step instructions. Fill to the line, take your time. Um, don't drink the fluid. Please don't drink the fluid. That's gross. And
The
then
blue pill or the red pill? No, kidding.
yeah,
Kidding.
there's a whole bunch of little troubleshooting things they have on their website. uh, Difficulty producing saliva. Well, just think about delicious things and you'll have no
Let
problem.
think of lemons.
Yeah. Really? Lemons?
I don't know. I don't know.
Lemons are delicious.
That just makes me like frothy already. And I'm already done. So I'm
So,
ready.
yeah, so, and it shows you how to activate your DNA kit. There's step-by-step instructions. And
Mhm.
then once you activate your kit and you sign in, just make sure you save it in a bookmark or something so you can go back to it when your
Yeah.
results come in. It's pretty cool. I love how they've set this website up, and it has a step-by-step process, very easy to use. Just requires, sitting down and actually reading it. And then once you get your DNA results, it takes you through that process. But Joan and Jane can also help you. Now, we're here as mental health support workers, cultural health support workers, to help survivors through that process of, okay, we all know that meeting your family can be wonderful, but it can also be complicated, and sometimes it's not a happy ending. So we just want you to know that we're here if you need support. And um, there's a lot of stuff we can do and a lot of stuff we can't do, but um, somebody to listen and guide you through that process, we can help you with that.
Even just to, have an ear to say, sometimes it's very unique when we say, I know what you're going through,
Mhm.
and as different survivor spaces, it's it's a very special space. It's a very vulnerable space sometimes. And I get, and I think that's why going to specialized spaces that I truly feel that they get that. And I hope we're doing that in a good way.
Mm-hmm.
It's not saying we know everything, but it's that offering. We're offering a little that we can,
Yeah. And
So
we're not gaining nothing by doing this. We're just like, we know there's a need for this. We know that
yeah,
people are looking for family members or they
yeah,
want to be found. So this is a way of bridging that gap, and nobody else is doing this work. So we're very grateful that we have
yeah,
folks who have access to resources that can help us help you.
yeah. And
So
I never knew we could do this till you and I discussed that, and
really,
that's that of even our special seers or special people, like they would always see special people around us, and sometimes it helps to know the name or the territory or the relation,
mm-hmm,
and you just never know. And I know more about my mom's side, but I don't know very much about my biological dad's side. Who
mm-hmm,
knows, right? Who knows? And that's that always knowing that we've sometimes been around people and we didn't even know they were kin, but something in our hearts or inside said, I know them, I just don't know how. So sometimes that this might be clarifying it. Who knows?
yeah.
Yeah. So
Well, and the thing is, like, I've pretty much met my whole family. My on my mom's side and my dad's side, most of them have passed away, but I know
mm,
I have cousins somewhere, and I know I have great great aunties, uncles, and grandparents that I don't know about, and I'd like to
mm,
see, what's out there. Oh,
yeah.
and the thing is, like, because that generation doesn't talk about and share those stories, it's hard to get that information now. So I'd like to leave something for my grandchildren, to trace their roots back to who's our people, where do our people come from. Maybe,
Mm-hmm.
maybe I have a great 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 English princess. Just kidding.
Because they had high cheekbones.
Maybe.
Kidding,
Yeah.
kidding. Mm.
Okay, now we're being silly. All right, so all you do is just shake it and that's it, and you just send it like this.
Yep,
That's it.
that's it. Throw it in the toxic bag.
The
Not saying
toxic
you're
bag.
toxic. Boom.
There's
Then
my
put it in
DNA
your little
sample.
boxy box there.
Okay, I'm putting it in my boxy box.
Yep.
And look at that.
Woo.
They even have like a strip. It's sealed
Yeah.
to seal it up, and off it goes. And they're like,
And off it
oh,
goes.
okay. You're
And so
good.
I'll register my thing tonight and wait
We'll activate our
patiently.
kits. We'll
Yeah.
activate our kits tonight.
Yeah.
After this, make sure that you activate your kit before you send it out.
Yeah.
Because if you don't, then they won't be able to you won't be able to track your results. It'll just be anonymous DNA that shows up. Be a real waste of time. So
Hmm.
we're gonna post the next video that comes along when our DNA results come in, and hopefully the other folks can join us in helping to understand our DNA results. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining
Thank
me,
you.
Elaine. And
That was fun.
all right, see you later.
Okay, see ya.
Bye.